Welcome to another Simple Dad Samsung tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to blur background on a portrait photo on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series phones. Blurring the background on a portrait photo allows your audience to concentrate more on the subject rather than what is surrounding it. Unfortunately, this only works on human faces, not on an object or animals. Your Samsung S22 has a feature where you can do this while taking a photo. But if you forget to do this, then your phone can do this afterwards. So to do this, open up your Gallery app. Now select a photo where you want to blur the background on. Here, make sure the human face is visible and it's clear. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right, then tap on Add Portrait Effect. Once the portrait effect recognizes a face, it will then add the effect. Down below, you'll see the blur intensity slider. Slide left or right to adjust the blur effect. The more you move to the right, the more your background gets blurred. The more you move to the left, the less your background gets blurred. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Apply at the top right. This will save the photo with the portrait effect. And that is how to blur the background on a portrait photo on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series phone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.